Why is this planet making scientists uneasy despite being so perfect? It doesn't lack sunlight, nor is the temperature unsuitable, and it might even have liquid water. It's almost like a dream of our second Earth, but the more it was studied, the more unusual it seemed. Its size exceeds the typical range of rocky planets, yet it isn't inflated like a gas giant. It orbits its star in an almost perfect position, right in the habitable zone, where life could potentially exist. No moons, no companion planets, no disturbances. Every detail seems as if it was intentionally designed. This planet is Kepler-22b, a planet that perhaps shouldn't exist, and yet it does, and that's what makes it so fascinating. How was it discovered? In 2009, NASA launched the Kepler Space Telescope. It wasn't designed to take pictures, but rather to detect tiny changes in the brightness of 150,000 stars in the Milky Way. When a planet passes in front of its star, the star's light dims ever so slightly. This method is known as the transit method. It was an incredibly difficult task, like watching a candle from 100 kilometers away and waiting for a mosquito to fly past it. Yet even so, Kepler-22b was found, a planet that dims its star's light by just 0.01% every 290 days. Unusual to the point of being perfect. It's a 2.4 times the size of Earth, but its density remains unknown. Not fully rocky, not fully gaseous. Its orbit is perfectly circular, with no deviations. It lies at just the right distance, neither too far nor too close. And the strangest part, there are no other planets in its system. No debris, no signs of past collisions. Everything is so clean and orderly that some scientists started wondering if it might not be a real planet at all, but part of some cosmic simulation. What are the possibilities? Scientists have proposed 4 main theories. 1. Super-Earth, a large rocky planet, but with such a dense atmosphere that it might function like a hot pressure cooker, similar to Venus. 2. Water-world, a planet completely covered in oceans, but without continents. The essential nutrient cycles for life could be incomplete. 3. Mini-Neptune, a small gas planet that may have migrated closer to its star, but how and why remains a mystery. 4. Mixed composition planet, with a rocky core, layers of water, and an atmosphere, but such precise conditions don't align with any known formation models. The real question, is all this simply a flaw in our understanding? Are our methods of observing planets inherently limited? Or a bolder question, if a planet appears as perfect as a computer simulation, is it truly natural? Could this be a signal from an advanced civilization? A sample placed there to teach us something? And if one planet seems designed, what does that say about us? This planet doesn't give answers, but it teaches us how to ask better questions.